Good morning to all. In this series of flower description, today we will discuss a flower from family Lamiaceae or Labiaceae or mint family. Some field recognition characters of this family are aromatic herbs or shrubs with square stems, leaves opposite decussate. Characteristic inflorescence of this family is verticillaster, flowers zygomorphic and pentamerous. Ovary deeply four-lobed, style gynobasic, and fruit is schizocarpic. The systematic position of this family, Demopetalae, Bicarpellate, and Lamiales. Some important Indian genera are Coleus, Lamium, Lavandula, Lucas, Mentha, Ocimum, and Salvia. Aids for field identification of this plant this is perennial herb. Perianth is showy, scented leaves, and inflorescence is verticillaster. This is diagrammatic representation of this plant, Ocimum basilicum, flowering twig, a flower, LS flower, TS ovary, and floral diagram. This is description of this Ocimum basilicum. A cultivated aromatic herb. Root branched taproot. Stem is herbaceous but woody below. Erect, it is quadrangular. Branched, hairy and green and aromatic. Leaf, ramal and colline. Exstipulate, petiolate, opposite decussate. We can see the arrangement of the leaves. Opposite decussate. Simple, ovate, serrate, hairy and unicostate reticulate vellation, and they are aromatic because of the volatile presence of volatile oils. Inflorescence is verticillaster. Flower bracteate, ebracteolate, pedicellate, complete hermaphrodite. It is zygomorphic. You can see flower is zygomorphic, hypogynous, bilabiate, small and aromatic. Calyx, sepals 5, 1 by 4 bilobed. This is 1 and these 4 are connected. 1 bilobed, 4 by 1 by 1 by 4 bilobed, consisting of upper posterior lip of one big lobe. This is upper posterior, one big lobe, and anterior tip of 4 lobes. Gamosepalous, volvate and violet green in color. Corolla, petals 5. Here the arrangement is opposite to calyx. That is, it is 4 by 1 bilabiate consisting of upper posterior lip of 4 lobes, upper posterior lip of 4 lobes and lower anterior lip of 1 lobe. Gamopetalous, volvate, white or pink in color. Androecium, stamens 4. Polyandrous, epipetalous, didynamous. The posterior stamen is lacking. This is absent. Anther lobes broad and slightly separated. Dithecous, dorsifixed and introns. Gynoecium bicarpellary, syncarpus superior, bilocular in very early stages, but later on becomes quadrilocular due to formation of false septum. So it is seen here with four lobes, four locules. Each locule with one ovule, axile placentation, ovary four-lobed, style long and gynobasic coming up between the four parts of the ovary, stigma bifid stigma. This is a four-lobed hypogynous disc is present below the ovary. This is gynobasic disc. Fruit is schizocarpic made up of four nutlets. Seed four and they are non-endospermic. Now this is floral formula bracteate, abracteolate, zygomorphic, hermaphrodite, calyx 1 by 4, gamosepalous, corolla 4 by 1, gamopetalous, androecium 2 plus 2 and they are epipetalous, and gynoecium 2, syncarpus and ovary. Now we come to the identification and systematic position. So angiosperm when seed enclosed within the ovary wall, dicotyledon when presence of two cotyledons, reticulate venation, pentamerous flower, then gamopetalous condition. Then bicarpellary syncarpus superior gynoecium and axile placentation. Plant is a herb. Leaves are opposite decussate. Flowers are zygomorphic bilobed. Fruit is schizocarpic. All are the characters of order Lamiales. Then angular stem, scented aromatic leaves. Inflorescence is verticillasta. These are the characteristic features of family Lamiaceae or Labiatae or mint family. And stamens didynamous, gynobasic style. Ovary tetralocular, calyx 1 by 4 and corolla 4 by 1 are the characters of Ocimum basilicum. So this is the all about the description of flower of Ocimum basilicum. This is the diagrammatic representation. This is floral diagram which is very well clear. You can see all the things here in this, all the parts we are described earlier. So this is all about the Ocimum, description of Ocimum basilicum. Thank you.